I guess today I'll be showing you how to get on top of the barrier. So, let's go. First you're gonna need to get up here. And then down to here. Go to here, and then when you go up this wall, till you hit the barrier, and then wanna go over here. And then outside the map, I shall be very careful here because it could end any time. You'll need to use your hand to check if, or you could use 2 grapplers. It would be better with 2. And then just keep on going. Okay, so when you're here, when you're at the bit, I found it. Now when you're at that bit, you're going to climb up this side. What? I didn't find it. Here, now. You gotta go on top. Okay, now you gotta want to do that. Okay, it's kind of hard. And you gotta go up here and then get up on top of the barrier. Okay, yeah. Oh, wait, what? I thought I was falling. Okay, so now you're on top of the barrier. And now, you can show off to people. You can put big flashlights up here and stuff. Look. Here's the map. Right, bye.